Hey everyone,
Hi guys,
I'm Lisa.
I'm Scott.
We're
We're by the campfire.
by the campfire. Finnegan's down here.
Finnegan's down underneath us.
So for those of you who are subscribers and wondering why the video didn't go out first thing this morning, we started shooting video last week. We had a whole plan and life happened. So what you're going to see is a hodgepodge of just occurrences that
Right?
that we went through last week and up through today. So we're preparing to hit the road in what, 2 days?
2 days. So we're out of here.
Yep.
So
2 days we hit the road, heading west, as Scott gave up last video. And we're just preparing for that. So we wanted to get something out for you guys this week. Like I said, there may not be any rhyme or reason to what you're going to see, but just kind of a hodgepodge of
stuff.
our life over the past week. So stay tuned. Any words of wisdom, or we came up for some dinner tonight.
Yep.
Scott's last day was yesterday, so
Yep. Yesterday was my last day. So I think we have a video of last night's bowling.
his going away party. Well,
Going party
his
last
and
night.
several other employees.
Several of us are leaving for the
Yeah.
season. And then we decided to come here to the restaurant for dinner tonight. So
Yep. Had
Got-
some ribs, some delicious ribs, and
ribs, mac and cheese, beans.
yep. So, I hope you enjoy, and just know that next week's video is going to be, you're going to see us traveling west. We are headed out of the campground. Scott's dumping tanks right now, and we've got a fun day planned. So, stay tuned to see what we're doing today. You ready, Finn? Travel day.
And it's a good one today.
It is. We are headed down the mountain, headed into Highlands Ranch, where we lived. That's where we had our home.
Yep, the old Sticks and Bricks is there.
And today we are hosting a open house of our Brinkley, along with a farewell party. A lot of our friends and family, this will be the last time they see us before we hit the road in 6 days?
Yep.
6 days. So, the brewery.
Yeah, so we're going to one of my favorite breweries over by our house. It was only a mile away, so it was really easy. And after working in the kitchen in a hot day during the summers,
Bumps. Big bumps.
during the hot days, it would be nice to just have a nice cold beer after work. And so I'd pop in this place, and it is appropriately named Living the Dream.
Yep.
So, what better place to have our going away party than the gracious people at Living the Dream Brewery?
Yep. So we're expecting about 20 to 25 people. Just kind of come and go. There'll be a food truck there if they want to purchase food.
Yep.
Stop in the brewery, get a beer. We're going to have some, bottled water for people who don't want the beer, and just some light snacks, cookies, and charcuterie board, a little bit of fruit. For those people who don't want to, purchase from the food truck. It's from 2 to 4, so it's kind of after lunch and before dinner. But we thought it would be nice to have a few snacks for people. So after that, we are headed to Bear Creek Lake State Park.
Ooh, that's a mouthful.
Yes, it is. That's a new one for us. There is a lake there. We will have electric, but no sewer, and water we'll have to fill up when we pull in on water, and then we're there until Friday, and then we hit the road. So heavy traffic. And then one day this week we'll go to dinner with just the kids to do our to do our farewell with the kids, and that'll be just us, just immediate family. So I have to say, I think we finally hit that spot where travel days don't cause a bunch of anxiety and stress. We finally hit that place where We're comfortable. We don't approach it with dread the night before and the morning of. We've got it's still taking us a little while, but I feel like the hooking up and everything, we're much more comfortable with it.
I think so. Me too.
So
I'm still pretty nervous, driving in traffic, and that's just part of it. What do you do?
But as far as the hooking up and all of that,
That was pretty.
yeah, we've got that down
got the
pretty
routine
good.
down.
So this last month, moving as frequently as we have, has really helped prepare us for hitting the road. Because it used to be on travel days, we were both kind of a wreck,
A little bit.
just hooking up and all of that. So those days are gone. So all right, stay with us.
It's a month in Bangkok, and then a month on the island of Koh Tang, which is also Thailand. And then like maybe a few weeks in some Cambodian islands, and then like almost 2 months in Thailand, which is like since last year's. Yeah. Ah, amazing. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, last year I think
Oh,
we
my
had
peoples.
like 100 and something miles
You're up, looking out, watching people watching, and someone come by with like, whatever it is, selling stuff. Let's go!
Oh, I know.
Oh, can I do another white claw?
Yeah, me too.
I'm trying to.
So just need to. What is everybody's honest opinion of Scott?
He's an old man that likes camping.
He's got the same 3 phrases.
What?
Goodbye, wonderful people. Beautiful people. Honey, I'm home.
I'm getting the truth here. I'm getting the scoop on you.
You guys want brisket? You want beans? You want chicken? We got it all.
What I forget? What I forget?
Goodbye, beautiful people.